Empower your future with keySkillset.
I've been feeling stuck while my colleagues from the same batch getting promoted while I'm still in the same role. One day, I stumbled upon an Instagram post about keySkillset. Curious, I decided to check out their website. I found courses in Excel and financial modeling skills that are crucial in my field. The best part, I could learn at my own pace, anytime, anywhere. The courses were practical and easy to follow. I started applying what I learned directly to my job. Soon, my work began to stand out. My financial models were more accurate and detailed, and my efficiency improved significantly. During a quarterly review, my manager noticed my performance and the quality of my work. To my surprise, I was promoted. Thanks to keySkillset, I was able to turn my career around. I feel more confident and capable than ever. If you're feeling stuck like I was, don't wait. Empower your future with keySkillset. Invest in yourself, learn new skills, and unlock new opportunities. You won't regret it.
Visit keyskillset.com to start your journey.